Should you rent a car or buy one if you're trying to save money and improve your credit? A lot of people are asking this question right now, especially with inflation, higher interest rates, and rising monthly expenses. Today, we're breaking down the pros and cons of both so you can make the smartest financial decision for your situation. Let's get started. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Transportation is one of the biggest monthly expenses many people have, and right now, with inflation affecting everything from insurance to gas prices, many people are trying to decide whether renting, leasing, or buying a car makes more financial sense. The truth is, there is no one-size-fits-all answer. It depends on your budget, your goals, and your financial situation. When buying may make sense, buying a car may be a good option if you plan to keep the vehicle long-term, you drive often, and you want to build your credit through consistent on-time payments. Over time, ownership can become less expensive because eventually the car gets paid off. And once it's paid off, you may only have maintenance, gas, and insurance costs remaining. Another benefit is that positive auto loan payment history may help strengthen your credit profile over time. The danger of overbuying. But here's the problem. Many people buy more car than they can actually afford. A luxury payment may look good temporarily, but financial stress every month is not worth it. A reliable, affordable vehicle is often a smarter long-term move than trying to impress people. When renting or leasing may help. Now let's talk about renting or leasing. Renting or leasing may make sense if you need flexibility, you're rebuilding financially, or you do not want long-term maintenance responsibilities. Some people also prefer leasing because newer cars may come with warranties and lower repair costs. However, leasing usually means you're always making payments without fully owning the vehicle. What really helps credit, a very important thing to understand, is this. A car loan only helps your credit if you make your payments on time consistently. Late payments can actually damage your score. So before taking on any vehicle payment, make sure the monthly amount fits comfortably within your budget. The smart financial approach. The smartest approach is focusing on affordability, reliability, manageable payments, and long-term financial stability. Your car should support your life, not create constant financial pressure. At the end of the day, whether you rent, lease, or buy, the goal should always be financial peace and smart money management. Take time to evaluate your budget, your goals, and your current financial position before making a decision. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with someone trying to make smarter financial choices. And remember, financial freedom is built through wise decisions over time. See you in the next video.